We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide a comprehensive look at the tabletop mini bowling game set, a miniature wooden bowling alley designed for desktop use. This product appeals to a wide range of users, from children to adults, offering a nostalgic arcade experience in a compact form. The set includes a miniature bowling lane, pins, and a ball, all crafted primarily from wood, making it a tactile and visually appealing game that fits easily on office desks, coffee tables, or small spaces at home. Users appreciate its portability and the ability to enjoy a quick game without needing a full-sized bowling alley. The game is rated highly for its entertainment value, providing a fun challenge that can engage players of various ages. It is especially popular as a family activity, a unique gift idea, or a stress relief tool for office workers. Many users praise the quality of the materials and the craftsmanship. The wooden components are generally well made, giving the game a classic and durable feel. The size is perfect for desktop use, not taking up much space while still being large enough to enjoy the gameplay. Setting up the pins is straightforward, and the game mechanics are simple yet engaging. Players report that the game can be surprisingly addictive, with the challenge of knocking down pins using the small ball offering satisfying moments of skill and luck. It is also noted as a good travel game due to its compact size. However, some users have pointed out drawbacks. A few reviews mention that the pins are very lightweight, which can make them fall over too easily and sometimes make it difficult to set them up properly. This can detract from the gameplay experience for those expecting a more stable setup. There are also reports of the product arriving with minor damage, such as splintering on the wooden back guard or around the brads holding the components together. While these issues are not widespread, they are worth noting for potential buyers who expect flawless craftsmanship. The game's small parts, including the ball and pins, present a choking hazard, so it is not recommended for households with very young children or infants. This safety consideration is important for families to keep in mind. Despite this, the game is well suited for older children, teens, and adults who can appreciate the novelty and fun of a mini bowling alley. From a usability perspective, the game is easy to set up and play. It requires minimal space and no complicated instructions, making it accessible for casual play during breaks at work or as a fun diversion at home. The tactile nature of the wooden pieces adds to the enjoyment, providing a satisfying physical interaction that digital games cannot replicate. The game also serves as a conversation starter and a unique decorative item on a desk or coffee table. In terms of value, the tabletop mini bowling game set is considered a great gift option. It is frequently recommended as a Christmas or birthday gift, a white elephant gift, or a stocking stuffer for kids and adults alike. Its novelty and charm make it a memorable present for bowlers, game enthusiasts, or anyone who enjoys quirky desk toys. The price point is reasonable given the quality and entertainment it offers. Overall, this mini bowling game set delivers on its promise of providing hours of fun and stress relief in a small package. While it has minor imperfections and some limitations due to the lightweight pins, the positive feedback far outweighs the negatives. It is a well-loved desktop game that combines nostalgia, skill, and casual fun. We encourage those who own this game to leave their own reviews in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The link to purchase is in the description, and using it supports our channel. This game is a delightful addition to any home or office environment, perfect for quick breaks and lighthearted competition.